Until today, Massachusetts had no state oversight for puppy daycare and boarding facilities. The only requirement for anyone with more than 4 dogs was to obtain a kennel license. NBC 10's Malcolm Johnson joins us live in Revere with the new requirements for kennels. Malcolm, I fully expect you got to hold some puppies today.
I can't lie to you, Glenn. I didn't. You know, there were a lot of dogs that we were around today, and it wasn't because I didn't want to. We were just in a rush, to be completely honest with you. But this story, more importantly, is about regulation when it comes to the kennels, like the ones that we were at earlier today. You know, the state's lack of regulation has oftentimes resulted in tragic consequences. Well, lawmakers, they want to change that.
How we treat animals says something about who we are as a people and who we are as a community.
A ceremonial signing, including a paw, enacting a new state law.
Ollie's Law, which will mean better protection for animals out there.
The law requires the Department of Agricultural Resources to establish rules and regulations for boarding kennels and daycare facilities.
This is about protecting our four-legged friends out there, and until the signing of this law, we did not have that kind of regulation or protection in place. Now we do.
In 2022, April Bernhardt of Raleigh was charged with 39 counts of animal cruelty when police found 37 dogs living in cramped conditions in a trailer. In just last year, a former Massachusetts firefighter was put on probation after allegedly abusing animals.
We now have rights for pet owners and protections for them when they bring their dog, when we bring our dogs to boarding facilities in kennels.
Attorney Jeremy Cohen represented Ollie's owner, Amy Baxter, in court after the 7-month-old Labradoodle was injured in a fight. And Amy never got answers about the injuries from the facility.
They were incompetent. They were not qualified.
Lisa Cutting owns Ocean View Kennels.
As you see, I'm a full kennel, and I believe in this law. I think that it should be tougher regulations for kenneling, daycare, dog walking.
And not too long ago, we were able to hear from Amy Baxter, that is Ollie's owner. She says, quote, "I am so incredibly honored that Ollie is able to leave a legacy of protecting and helping other dogs. Nothing will mitigate all of his pain and suffering, but knowing that he is being memorialized in this way is a bit of a silver lining." We're live tonight, reporting in Revere. I'm Malcolm Johnson, NBC 10 Boston.